Hi, this is Carl, the Crypto Hound, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Bluewallet Lightning wallet for Bitcoin on your phone. The Lightning wallet enables you to send Bitcoin to another person and receive it at lightning fast speeds. So let's get started. You need to go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store, do a search for Bluewallet. There are many wallets at the moment, and my favorite is the Bluewallet just because it's easy to use and there's no technical configuration. So you press install once you've found it, wait for that to install. Once installed, press open. Okay, we need to do, the only bit of configuration we need to do is just to change the currency from the menu, press currency. I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm going to select pounds, but wherever you are, select the correct currency and then go back, and then go back again. So we're setting up two wallets. You need to have a Bitcoin wallet and you need to have a Lightning Bitcoin wallet. So let's create, first of all, the Bitcoin wallet by pressing Bitcoin, and you give it a name. So it can be anything you want. So I'm going to call it Bitcoin, and I've got Bitcoin selected. So now I click on create. So there we have it. In purple, we have the Bitcoin wallet. Let's go back. Now we need to create the Lightning wallet. So you press add again. This time you select Lightning and give it a name. So again, you can call it whatever you want. And now you click on create. So for now, we're set up. We have a Lightning wallet and we have a regular wallet. In my next video, I'll be taking you through how you can receive payments using the Lightning network. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
To help you understand cryptocurrencies and use them in your daily and business life, I write blogs and guides on steemit.com and via my website. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies in your business or personal life, then get in touch.